In this video we cover arithmetic operators, the symbols Python uses to do math. Whether you are adding prices or calculating distances, these 7 operators are the building blocks. Arithmetic operators are special symbols that instruct Python to perform calculations. There are 7 of them, and together they cover everything from basic addition to exponentiation. Think of slicing a pizza. Regular division tells you the exact share per person. Floor division tells you how many complete pizzas you can hand out, and the percent operator tells you how many slices are left over. We start by storing 2 numbers in variables. We will use 10 and 3 throughout the whole example, so it is easy to follow along. The first 3 operators are the most familiar. Plus gives us the sum, minus gives the difference, and the star symbol multiplies the 2 numbers together. A single slash is standard division, and it always gives back a floating point number. 10 divided by 3 returns 3.3 repeating, not a whole number. That is true even when the division is exact. Double slash is floor division. It rounds the result down to the nearest whole number. The percent sign is the modulo operator, and it gives you what is left over after the division. Finally, 2 stars together mean exponentiation. 10 to the power of 3 is 10 times 10 times 10, which equals 1000. Here is the output. 13, 7 and 30 come from addition, subtraction and multiplication. Division gives us a float with decimals. Floor division returns 3, the remainder is 1, and 10 to the power of 3 is 1000. Keep these 3 points in mind. Single slash always floats. Double slash and percent handle, whole number division and leftovers. And double star is your exponentiation operator. You now have all 7 arithmetic operators covered.